All right, in today's video, we are going to talk about our YouTube data and our YouTube metrics for the channel, one of the channels that I run. And the reason we want to do this is because in the niche that I work in, the Make Money Online niche, for this channel, very, very few, if to nobody, talks about the data or the metrics of a good, healthy YouTube channel. The Make Money Online niche mostly wants to just talk about, hey, come over here and let me recruit you into my business or let me sell you this tool or service. Okay. So we're taking a step back, taking a deep breath and saying, let's try to beef up this channel with some good content that is going to help you as a online marketing entrepreneur and wanting to use YouTube to help build your business. These are some things you're going to want to make some decisions on and get an idea of where you're at with your channel and the content you're putting out there. So let's dive right in. Hey, I'm Jeff Beeman. Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before, and welcome if you are new. And going off of my data and metrics, I'm going to show you in a second. There's a pretty good chance you might be new to this channel. So we're going to get me out of the way and let's get into this. All right, so this is your back YouTube studio. You're back in behind the curtains, the Wizard of Oz behind the curtains kind of situation. All right, so overview, we're going to get a kind of an idea of where we're at now. Let me preempt this information here to know that this channel is fairly new. I've had it for, I don't know, I think I started it 4 or 5 months ago, 6 months ago. I don't know how far back really. And the little bit that I've been putting into it, it hasn't grown with that very much. And that's why we're going to pivot and try to put some different material in here. So this one is a low, it's got low numbers on it, but that's okay. We're seeing where we need to improve. And that's what I want you to do with your channel, is to go through these analytics and start to discover if you're having, if you're not getting what you wanted out of it, then maybe it's time to look at the numbers and start making some changes as well. All right, so our overview, 336 views, about the same as usual. This is usually in a 28-day run here on these numbers. Watch time, they usually say 28 days to a month, something like that. Watch time, 15.5, that's hours, okay? About the same as usual. And then I've got +4 subscribers, which I didn't know I was going to have until I loaded it up this morning, but 43% less than the previous 28 days. All right, we'll continue on down here through the overview. It may have some background noises. Everybody's back in the house again. Just showing you the videos that are doing okay. Top content in this period. Just see your views and retention time, average view duration, which would also be considered retention. And now we're going to go to content, and we're going to be looking at views, 334, which we knew we already had. Here's your impressions, 2.7 thousand impressions. This tells you how much YouTube is actually pushing out your video to people, and then you've got to combine that with your impression click-through rate to say, okay, 2.7 thousand was put in front of, we got a 6.3% click-through rate. And let's see if I can find this again, get me out of the way. If your videos, if you can't, I'm not sure if you'll see this on the recording here, but if you can't see it, it's reading. If your videos are sitting between 4 to 8%, you're right in the healthy zone for most niches, especially Make Money Online, which behaves similar to finance business, typically 2 to 4% on search and 4 to 7% on browse. And we are sitting at 6.3%, so we can be happy with that. The more the impressions go up, of course, the impression click-through should go up with it. All right. Average view duration at 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Most of my videos are 10 minutes to 15 minutes long, so I would like to see that grow a little bit, which means I've got to do a better job of getting you better information that you want to stick around and listen to. Okay. Key moments for audience retention. How viewers find your videos. This is the important one and the one that I really wanted to stress today with this video. YouTube search. The majority of the Make Money Online type videos, I'm good with that, being the higher the YouTube search. A lot of your YouTube coaches out there are telling you to how to get everything so that browse features is your higher number, because people scroll through YouTube looking at stuff and you want your thumbnail to pop out at them and they say, oh, what's this all about, and then click on it. So, and the browse, again, that's when YouTube is pushing it out there. You know, somebody's just scrolling, they've already went and found whatever they were looking for, now they're just scrolling through, killing time, whatever, and or just researching to see what other videos are in that same topic that they searched for. And if your thumbnail catches their attention, and you know it's the same topic, a good title, better chance of getting that click through. So I'm mostly focusing on this, but I also want to see this happen as well. But this is where we spend most of our time, YouTube search. Okay, let's see if there's anything else down here pertinent. Nope. And audience, monthly audience 165, again +4 on the subscribers. That's just happened in the last couple of days, because it was at 37, I'm pretty sure. New viewers, 81.2%. So yeah, make money online niche, you're probably going to have, plus this is a small channel right now. I haven't built up a lot of subscribers. So a lot of it is going to be new viewers. So if you are a new viewer, again, welcome to the channel. We appreciate you stopping by. And then casual viewers, 15%, and then regular viewers, which would be more of your subscriber base, at 3.6%. And if I want that number to go up, then again, I've got to make more content that my subscribers are going to want to stick around to the end, first to view it, and then also retention for them to stick around to the end. And then trends, just going to get your next idea for a video. You can get some ideas off of these guys, and 109,000 views, 174,000 views, 123,000 views. So these might be some titles or some topics that you want to look into. All right, so as we finish this up, my main point here to cover is that you need to get into your analytics and start learning that if YouTube is going to be your main organic platform, you need to be able to see where you need to make improvements at. And I think the YouTube Studio does a pretty good job at laying it out there. You just need to understand what each of the tabs are all about. Okay, and the ones that we're focusing on, YouTube search, and we're focusing on customer viewer retention. We want people to come into the videos and stick around for the whole video. And sure, I'm also looking for the new subscribers, and that's going to come a lot from the YouTube search, and then taking care of our current subscribers and anybody new that subscribes. So if you are not subscribed, this is a great time to go do that. Give us that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, of course. And if you have any other questions about making videos, also check out my link in the description area, and I'll probably have it down in the comments in a PS. That's for the 4-step video blueprint. That is a free tool or training that I put out for you. You will have 4 videos to go through, 4 or 5 videos to go through. And then you can also join us on Tuesday nights, 8 o'clock Eastern, and we just answer questions, or we talk about new thoughts, new ideas for YouTube and what's going on currently in YouTube. And then we are ready to help some folks out that maybe haven't got things up and going the way they want them to yet. So check that out, description area, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.